Able to write and compose music, understanding the physics of music is inevitable. It helps you embody music
where we pause between the sentence, like where.
Here's one of the phenomena in music is octaves.
There's a pause.
Why we hear octaves,
We
it turns out
pause
that we hear
between the
logarithmic, meaning that the human
That has
ear
to do with,
interprets sounds
the
in
whole,
increments. So when you hear A chord, primarily is 440 hertz. That is the number of waves that occurs per cycle. Hertz was actually named after a person. When you double the frequencies, 440 hertz, you get 880. So you have.
But I didn't have. Right, I mean.
Down. Being able to write and compose music, understanding the physics of music is inevitable. It helps you embody music as a whole far more effectively. Here's one of the phenomena in music is octaves. Why we hear octave, it turns out that we hear logarithmic, meaning that the human ear interprets sounds in increments.